Kalstein's Semi-APO Trinocular Fluorescence Microscope is an advanced solution for high-precision fluorescence observation in laboratories. The Trinocular Semi-APO LED Fluorescence Microscope features an integrated 5-watt LED fluorescence unit. It supports the addition of a 100 times water immersion objective. Plan Infinity optical system with objectives 4x, 10x, 40x, and 100x oil immersion, delivering sharp, flat images with excellent chromatic correction. Large mechanical stage, 182 by 140 millimeters, with double sliding support and XY movement, facilitating work with multiple slides simultaneously. Side-and-top trinocular head with 360-degree rotation and interpupillary distance 48 to 76 millimeters. WF10 x 22 millimeter eyepieces included. Iris diaphragm on Infinity Plan objectives ensures precise light control, supporting 1 or 2 fluorescence filters, B and G for versatile fluorescence observation applications. Swing-out condenser. N a 0.9/0.13 combined with 6-volt, 30-watt halogen illumination ensures optimal contrast across multiple observation techniques. Coaxial focus knobs offer smooth, precise focus control. They feature an internal 5-position nosepiece for rapid objective changes during examination. Manufactured in France with premium quality materials, every Kalstein equipment is engineered to deliver guaranteed performance, exceptional robustness, and outstanding French excellence for laboratories worldwide. Explore the complete Kalstein microscopes catalog. Precision, clarity, and innovation for every laboratory and research need. Visit kalstein.net and bring science to life.